What I want to show you in this video, if you want to learn it elsewhere, you can pay anywhere from $100 to $200. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it right on your mobile device. Now, what am I talking about? I'm going to show you how to blog on your mobile phone, how to create a beautiful website like this free of charge on your mobile phone. I'm going to show you how you can build a website like this from scratch and make money online. A lot of people are crushing it online, blogging, making money online, but most people don't show us how we can do this on our mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how you can build this. Now, do note this is going to take time and effort to get this in place, but if you are persistent and put the work that is required, you are guaranteed to make money doing this. So what you're going to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you can follow the series, because I'm going to show you more videos to complement what this video is all about. Now, if you're interested, let's jump right into this video. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to Google and search blogger.com. That's going to bring you to this page that looks like this. Okay, so you're going to click this create your blog button. Once you click that, that's going to bring you to this page. So what you're going to have to do is to sign in with one of your accounts. Now that's going to bring you to this page requesting you to choose a name for your blog. So you're going to put a suitable name for your blog here. Okay, so let's say we go with Brigxel feed. Then you're going to click next. On this next page, you're going to be asked to put in your address, okay, the address for your blog. So I'm going to put Brigxel feed. If the address you've chosen is not okay, you're going to get a red notice. So what you're going to have to do is to alter your address so that you'll be able to save it. Now, Brigxel feeds works. So what you're going to do is you click the save button. So after that, that's going to bring you to this page. So what you're going to do is I'm going to hover your mouse to this place and click that. So you're going to come down to this place where it says view blog. So you're going to click that view blog button to know how your blog looks. Okay, so your blog is definitely going to look somehow like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back. So we're going to come back to this place. So what we're going to do now is we are going to apply a theme to this blog. So you click this theme button. So that's going to bring you to this place. So these are some of the themes that are already here. Okay, you can decide to choose any of them. Okay, but if you want to go with any of them, you might want to go with this one. So let's say we apply this one. So you can see that's going to bring us to this place. So where it says apply. So let's say I want to apply it. So you just hit the apply button. So this theme has been applied successfully. So let's see how the blog looks now. So if we go down to this place where it says view blog and click that, so you can see how the blog looks now. Haven't changed the theme. So this is how the theme looks. Okay, so you might want to create your blog using this theme. Okay, but this theme is not professional enough. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website. So once on this website, you're going to see this place. Come down to this place where it says download Max SEO Blogger template. Okay, so once you're here, you can see the links. Okay, so you search these links. You can copy one of these links. Let's say we copy this one. So having copied this, so we click where it says browser, and then we open it with Kiwi browser. Now that's going to bring you to this page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this download button to download this template. It's a zipped file. So you're going to click it to download it. And once it is downloaded, next thing would be to come to this place. Mind you, how did I get to this place? If I go back to that, okay, and come to where it says themes, that's how I got there. So you click that themes button, it's going to bring you to this place. So you're going to click this button here to customize it. So once you click it, then you're going to click where it says restore, and then it's going to say upload. So you're going to click that upload button. So that's going to take you to your storage. Okay, so you're going to click downloads. So on your device, you're going to click where it says Max SEO Blogger template. So you're going to click that. So that's going to show you this stuff. So the next thing you're going to do is to click where it says Max SEO free version XML. So you're going to click this. So the next thing will be to click this button again. So you're going to come to where it says mobile settings. So we're going to zoom that in. So you click that mobile settings. So it's going to bring you to this page. So what you're going to do is it says here, do you want to show desktop or mobile theme on mobile device? So you're going to click the mobile button and click the save button. So once you do that, the next thing will be to see your blog, to see how it looks. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this button. So come down to where it says view blog. So now this is how it looks, because we have just applied the downloaded Blogger theme. Okay, so this is exactly how it looks. So what we're going to do now is to begin to customize this theme. Okay, so to do this, we're going to come to this place and scroll down to where it says pages. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to create pages for this theme. Okay, so we click the create pages button. So that's going to bring us to this place. So you can see we don't have any pages created here already. So to create a page, all you need to do is to hit this plus button, and boom, you will be able to create a page. Okay, so you click that and then you will be able to create a page. So because this is a website, some of the pages you might want to create are the home page. You might want to create the affiliate disclaimer page. You might want to create the privacy policy page, and other kinds of pages. Okay, depending on what you want to do with the blog. Okay, so let's say you want to create an affiliate disclaimer page. All you need to do is to put the title there. So you would put the affiliate disclaimer here, and then you key in whatever you want to key in about this page, your affiliate disclaimer. If you don't know what the content of an affiliate disclaimer looks like, you might want to check it out on other websites. Okay, so you key them in here, and once you're done, all you have to do is to click these options here, and then make sure you select the third one where it says do not allow and hide existing. So you click that, and the next thing will be to hit the publish button, and then your affiliate disclaimer page would be published. Now I'm going to show you some pages I already created. Okay, so let's come here, click these pages buttons again, boom. Okay, you can see now this brings us to the pages. Okay, you can see the pages I already created here. I've got a contact us page, I've got an about us page, I have the privacy policy page, I have the affiliate disclaimer page that we're just talking about. Okay, and I also have the home page. Okay, so let's open one of these pages so that you see how it looks. For example, the privacy policy page. So now on the privacy policy page, I just open it now. It shows me the HTML view. So what you can do is whenever you open and then it shows you these codes, okay, what you need to do is to click this button here and then change it to compose view. Okay, so now I just changed it to compose view so I can see the content on this page. Okay, you can see the things I wrote here on the affiliate disclaimer, on the privacy policy page, sorry. Okay, so once you're done writing whatever you want to write, make sure you put the title of the page, and then like I said before, you hit that, and then you check the third one, and then you click update or publish. Okay, so and that's how you do that. Okay, and then if we also check the contact us page. Okay, if we check the contact us page, we've got this displaying here. Okay, so how did I do this? Now I have a code linked in the description of this video. What you're going to do is you're going to go to that link. It's going to take you to a website. Make sure you copy the code, okay, for this contact us page. Okay, so once you have the page, the code copied, all you're gonna do is once you come to this place, switch to HTML. So you switch to HTML. That's gonna bring you to a blank page like this. Okay, a blank page. So you're gonna paste the code here. Okay, the code you're gonna paste is exactly this code you're looking at here. So you paste it, and once it is pasted here, the same thing, you come to where it says options. You're gonna click the options button and then check the third one there, and then hit publish. Okay, so once you do this, you are gonna have these pages created. Okay, so this is exactly how you create pages. So the next thing would be to create mega menu. Okay, so we're gonna click this button here. So that's gonna bring us to this place again. So we're gonna go to layout. So now on layout, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to where it says main menu. Okay, so once you come here, what you're going to do is you're gonna click this button here, and then it's gonna show you this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here. Now I have already created some menu. You might be saying, what do I mean by menu? I'm gonna show you that in a moment. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here. You can see I have the home icon. That one is already there. So sex product reviews, these are our menus. Okay, then I have love advice, and then I have the privacy policy. Okay, you can see the privacy policy page we created a while ago, and then I have the affiliate disclaimer page. I have another menu item on my menu, on my mega menu here, the sex advice. Okay, so you might be saying, how did you do all this? Now I want to show you something very important that is worth noting. So what you're going to do is, if you want to create any of this, you hit this add a new item. For example, if I hit that now, add a new item, it creates this for me. Okay, so yeah, you can then put the name of the item you want to put in here. Okay, so let's say you want to create let's say sex advice, or maybe sports. Maybe on your menu you want to have sports, you want to have business, you want to have something like politics. Okay, depending on what you want to do or what you want to blog about. So you're gonna put the name of that here. Okay, where it says site name, and then where it says site URL, there are two things you can do. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is the items you want on your mega menu, you are gonna put this sort of link. If I zoom this in, you can see I have sex advice. This is an item on my menu. I'm going to show you this now in a jiffy. Okay, so I have sex advice / mega hyphen menu. Okay, so under the link, okay, that's exactly what you're going to do. If I show you this clearly for that one, you can see here it says site name. I put sex advice, and then under site URL I put sex advice / mega menu. Okay, so once you do this, and then you will save it, and then once you save it, and then there will be an option for you to save it down here. Okay, so then you save it also down here. So once you do that, you can then come down here to where it says view blog to see how your blogs looks. Now on our blog, okay, this is exactly what that will do. If you come to your blog like this, okay, you can see how it looks. This is the finished blog. Okay, but I'm showing you basically what's happened for the blog to look exactly like this. So what you're going to do is you click this button here. Okay, you can see now the sex advice I was talking about. You can see that here. Okay, so it's gonna show here. Okay, so where we have sex reviews, it's gonna show here love advice, privacy policy, affiliate disclaimer, sex advice, and all those stuffs. Okay, so they are gonna show here. You can see them. Okay, but very importantly, if we come back to this mega menu, I want to show you something very important. If we come back to this mega menu and click this button again, and that's going to bring us to this place. Now you can see that I have stuffs like the privacy policy page. Now what you're going to do is, once you let's click that privacy policy, for instance, privacy policy. So site name, you put privacy policy, and then where it says URL. Now the URL you're gonna put in here is gonna be the URL of the page you created. Okay, remember I just showed you how to create pages. Okay, so you're gonna copy the URL of the page you created earlier on. Okay, so what I did here, basically, if you notice here, my home icon, what I put here, I have my home icon, I have the URL of my home icon page. Then under sex reviews, sex product reviews, I don't have this as a page. I didn't create a page for this. Okay, then we also have where it says love advice. I don't have this as a page. Okay, but privacy policy, I have it as a page. Okay, so you can see the URL. Okay, and then affiliate disclaimer, I also have it as a page. You can see the URL. So how what am I saying exactly? What I'm saying is this: if you come to this place and go to your pages, where it says pages, and then you're gonna come to this place, you can see all the pages here. Okay, the pages you want to show on your mega menu all you're going to do is to copy their links, okay, and add them to your mega menu. That's exactly what I did. So what you're going to do is you come to where it says manage. So if you hit that manage button, so that's gonna give you the ability to copy whatever URL you want to copy. So let's say I want to copy the link of this affiliate disclaimer page. So I'm gonna check this box. Once I check that and then click where it says view this thing here, click that. That's gonna take me to this, okay. It's gonna take me to the affiliate disclaimer page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hover my mouse on this and copy this link. So once that link is copied, you're gonna go back to your layout. You go back to layout again. So once you're here on layout, you come back to your mega menu, okay. So once you're on mega menu, you're gonna click that. So that's gonna bring us to this place. So once we are here, so you're gonna come to the affiliate disclaimer page, click this edit button. So you click that, and then where I say site URL, you're gonna paste that site URL here and click the save button. Okay, so that's how you can create mega menus and pages. Okay, so far I've shown you how to create mega menus and pages. Okay, so if we go back to our blog, you can see right here again that if somebody visits this blog and then comes to this place and hits this thing here, he's gonna see all the pages and items on your mega menu. Okay, so basically if for instance if I click the affiliate disclaimer, that's gonna take me to the affiliate disclaimer page. I have affiliate disclaimer as a page, okay, and you can see the content on the affiliate disclaimer page. Okay, so if I also go to for instance the home page, the home page, I have the home page as a page. I created a page for the home page. Okay, so you can see the home page, and then I have some little content here, and then boom. Okay, so that's that. And then this one, I created this as an item. I told you how to do it. Okay, I created it as an item, and love advice also have it as an item on this page. So if I click love advice for instance, that's gonna bring me to this page, okay, where I have an article also displaying here. So if I want to read this article, all I would have to do is to click this read, and then I'll be able to read the article. Okay, so this is how you create pages, and this is how you create items on your mega menu, and also add pages to your mega menu if you want to via those links I asked you to copy. So now let's go to the next thing, the top navigation. Okay, so you come back to where it says layout again, come back to the layout, and now that's going to bring us to this place. So to edit top navigation, we're going to click this button. Okay, so that's going to bring us to this place again. So if you look here, you can see on the top navigation, I've got the home page, and then I've got the about page, and then I've got the contact us page. Okay, so these are pages. Again, if you want to create any additional page here, whatever, maybe you want to create a shop page, all you would need to do is to click the add new item button. And then once you click that, that's going to bring you here. So here you would do what? You would simply type the name shop. Okay, so once the name is typed, then you put the URL of the item. Okay, so now let me add the home page here. Okay, let me add the home page here. You can see now this home page, I have it. If I click here, you can see site name. If I show you, you can see site name, it says home, okay, but the URL is not showing. Okay, so now I'm going to add the URL. Now I'm going to show you the implication of not having this URL here already. Okay, so let's go back to the site. If we go back to the site and go to view blog, now if we come back to our blog, you can see we have our home, we have our about, and we have our contact. Okay, this is the top navigation. This is where I'm editing now. This is where I'm customizing. Okay, so I want to show you something. If I click the about page, for instance, if I click the about page, it's going to take me to a page, the about page. You can see it brings me to a new page, about us page, and then it has some content I talked about here. Okay, and the same thing if I go to the contact us page, like I showed you earlier on. I showed you how to create the contact us page and all those stuff. Okay, so that's going to bring us to this place, and then you've got this opt-in form here. Okay, now, but if I click the home page, look, if I click the home page, it doesn't take me to the home page. Okay, it doesn't take me to the home page, whereas we have the home page. And how does the home page look? Let me show you how the home page looks. If you come to this place and hit that, and then hit this home button, boom, look at how the home page looks. You see how the home page looks? Okay, but on the top navigation, if I hit the home, it doesn't take me to the home page. Now it's loaded, it doesn't take me to the home page. So how do I make that happen? Now watch that. So once I'm here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says pages. So hit the pages button. That's going to bring me to this place. So now I'm going to go to the home page. Okay, remember I told you how to create a page before. If you don't know how to create a page, all you need to do is to hit this red button here and create a page. It's very simple. So now I already created this page. Now I want to copy the URL of this page. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to hit this place where it says manage. Mind you, I'm doing this thing on my mobile phone. You don't have to have a laptop before you can do this. So now I'm gonna check this. So once that is checked, let me zoom this in. So I'm gonna check this button here to see the page. Okay, so the page, I'm gonna copy this link. So once I copy this link, I'm gonna go back. So come back to this place and then go back to where it says layout. So right here on my layout, I'm gonna come to where it says top navigation, because we're editing the top navigation. So right here on the top navigation, and yeah, we're trying to add link to the home page. So I'm gonna click that button, click this button. So that's gonna bring me to this place. So the link I copied, I'm gonna paste it here. So I just pasted the URL. So the next thing would be to hit the save button, and then come down here where it says save, and then hit that save button. Now that has been done. So what I'm gonna do is come back to this place and go to where it says view blog. So now if I hit the home button, boom, now you can see it shows me the home page. Okay, so you can see it shows me the home page. Okay, so this is exactly how you can do that. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard. So the next thing will be to edit the header logo. To do this, you're gonna click the layout button. So that's gonna bring us to this place. So you're gonna see where it says header logo. So you're gonna hit this button there, that pencil icon. So that's gonna bring you to this place. So what you're gonna do is you put the title of your blog here. Okay, so and then I prefer going with an image. So you can go to Canva and design something like this. If you don't know how to use Canva to design, you can check that on YouTube. I'm definitely sure you're gonna see a video coaching you on how to design something like this. Okay, so once you've designed the image you want to use, all you're going to do is you come to this place where it says upload from your computer. Okay, so once you hit that, you'll be able to go upload from your mobile phone. So once you upload from your mobile device storage, the URL is going to show here. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this, check this second box here. Okay, that means you are displaying this instead of title and description. Okay, so it looks more cool to go with a picture like this. Okay, you can see how beautiful it looks. Okay, but if you don't like this, you might want to go with blog title and blog description, whichever method you want to go for. Okay, so you can do. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing would be to hit the save button, and boom, the thing will be saved. Okay, so once you do that, if you go back to where it says blog and view your blog, so once you do that, you can see it's gonna show you this on the blog. Okay, so the next thing would be to customize the social top. Okay, so what we're going to do is to go to layout again. So once we're here on layout, you can come to this place where it says social top. Okay, so if we zoom that in, that brings us to social top. So you hit the pencil icon, that's going to bring you to this place. Okay, so you can decide to turn off this widget. Okay, you can decide to turn it off. Okay, if you hit this button, you're gonna turn it off. Okay, but it's wise to leave it there. So you turn it on, and then the header title is written there. So all you're going to do is just come down here. You can see where it shows us the link list. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to add your Facebook, your YouTube, your Instagram, your Twitter, whatever you want to do, you add it. Okay, so you might say, how am I going to do it? All you need to do is to click where it says add a new item. Once you click that, and then you come here, you put whatever you want to add. Let's say you want to add your Twitter, you write Twitter here and copy your Twitter link. Okay, go to your Twitter profile, copy your Twitter link and paste it here, and then hit save, and then you're gonna see where it says save down there also, and then you'll be able to add your social tops. Okay, so that's how you add your social tops. And once you do that, if we go back to our blog to view blog, boom, you can see your social tops we show there. Okay, so that's how you add your social tops. So the next thing will be to edit our hot posts. Okay, so right here again, you go to your layout. So once you're on your layout, so the next thing you want to edit is your hot post. Okay, mind you, I've shown you how to edit all of these stops here, your top navigation, your social top, your header logo. Now this one where it says header ads, this has to do with ads. Okay, we're gonna leave that for monetization. Once we get to monetization stage, then I'll show you how to go about doing that. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is I've shown you how to customize your main menu. So the next thing would be to hot post. Okay, what you're gonna do is to hit that button. So here you're gonna write recent post. Okay, so that's what you're gonna write there, recent post. And once you have that written, then here under the content you're gonna write recent/hot hyphen, then you put post. Okay, and then you hit save. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do that. So after that, the next thing will be the main post. Okay, where it says main post here. Okay, so this one you don't have much to edit. If you hit this pencil icon there, that's gonna bring you to this. Okay, so if we zoom this in, basically the things here, you have to leave them the way they look. Okay, just leave them the way they look. The only thing you might want to change here is where it says show author. So you come here and put your name. So once your name is here, that means when you write post, it will definitely show your name. Okay, that's if you want that to happen. Okay, you can leave every other thing here exactly the way it looks, and once you're done doing that, you hit the save button. So after this, the next thing would be to you still come back to this place. Okay, so once you do that, you come back to where it says layout again. So you hit that layout button. Okay, so that's going to bring you to this place. So now if we come here, you can see where we have sidebar widget. Okay, so this sidebar widget, we've got a lot of sidebar widgets. Okay, so what you're going to do is some of them you're going to turn them off, some of them you're going to turn them on. Okay, for example, if you want your blog to look exactly like mine, your affiliate marketing blog, if you want it to look exactly like this one I'm showing you in this video, okay, very simple blog like this. So what you're gonna do is where it says search this blog, you're gonna turn this on. So you click the pencil icon. The process is the same. Okay, you can see the title, search this blog, and that's all there is to it. Okay, so you hit the save button. Okay, and then boom, you have it saved. Now where it says AdSense, okay, these ones you're gonna leave them for now. Okay, when it comes to monetization, once you have traffic on this blog, then you can easily monetize these ones. Okay, so come to where it says blog archive, this one, the same thing, you can have this one turned on. You click the pencil icon. Okay, so once you are here, make sure it's turned on. Okay, and then make sure it's turned on, and then make sure just leave it the way it is, and then boom, just leave it the way it is, and then you hit the save button. Okay, you can adjust it if you also want to adjust. Okay, so after that you can go to this one, make sure it is the way it is. Okay, so almost all the sidebar widgets, make sure you leave them the way they are. Featured post, okay, nothing much to edit. Okay, about me, this one you can turn it off. Okay, if you want to turn it on, you can just turn it on, and for example, let me show you that. Okay, here you just hit this button, turn it on. Okay, so about me title, so you are showing about me turned on. Okay, if you want to show your location, you can show it. Okay, if you don't want it, you just simply turn it off. Okay, and that's it. Once you turn it off, you hit the save button, and then it will be turned off. Okay, so this here simply means it's turned off. Okay, so here where I have quick links, this one is also important. Let's go to this one. If I hit that quick links button, that brings me to this place. Okay, I changed the title to quick links. Okay, so actually what it is your page list. Okay, so you change it to quick links or whatever you want to change it to, and then you come to this place. Okay, so what I did basically was I created items here. Okay, you can see these items are the items on my menu, and the process was simply the same. Okay, I basically copied the links like I told you, copy the links of the pages, copy the link of the affiliate disclaimer page, the link, all these, copy their links, and had them pasted here and then saved it. Okay, so for example, let's look at the privacy policy page. For example, if I click that, you can see that I have the page name, and then all I did was to copy the link like I showed you earlier on, copy the link, and then boom, you come down here and save. Okay, so that's how I did that, and then I have that. Okay, so let's go back to our blog to see how that quick links looks. Okay, so if we go to our blog, so here on our blog, if we come down here and then begin to go down this blog, okay, you can see the recent post I was talking about. You can see that. Then when we go down, you can see the search blog widget. This widget helps you to search content on this blog. Okay, so you can see the quick links we're talking about. So the quick links now, I quickly added the links of the privacy policy page, which is here. If we go to the top, you can see it is here. So these things here, I added some of them. So it depends on your choice, whatever you want to put here. Okay, it also depends on the blog you want to have. Okay, it could be a sporting blog, it could be whatever. Okay, so I added the affiliate disclaimer page, the privacy policy page, and the other stuffs. I added them here. Okay, so and then the essence of the links is to make sure that when you click them, they will take you to the page, intended page. Okay, you can see I click that and I'm right here on this page. So back to our layout page. So once you are here, so you still have other widgets to edit. Okay, so if we come down here, you can see that's it. That's pretty much all the widgets. You can see where it says social plugins. Okay, so the same thing, if you click that, that's gonna bring you here. You can see all the social plugins. Your Facebook, you add your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, and everything, the links. Okay, pretty much the process is the same. You click that, put the name, put the link, okay, and then you save. And once you have them saved, you're gonna have your social widget. And Facebook, I turned it off. Where it says subscribers, I turned it off. Okay, so where it says popular post, I have it turned on. Okay, so if we go to popular post, turned on. Okay, so if we go down here, you can see how exactly it looks. Then I clicked save, boom, and then you have it there. Okay, so once you come down to the bottom of this theme, you're gonna see where it says section right, add a widget. Now recent in recipes, I have this thing turned off. Okay, so you're gonna turn it off because it talks about something related to food, so you have to turn it off, except your blog is gonna be about food or whatever. So turn that off, and then you come to this place where it says categories. This one is turned on, this one is also turned on. These ones are very important for SEO, okay, for search engine optimization, for your blog to be seen. So these tags and these categories, make sure they are turned on. Then you come to where it says recent post. This one is also turned on. Okay, so turned on, that's it. Basically turn them on. You're not doing anything, just turn on. And then here you can put 3/recent/post-list. Okay, just that, and then you save it down here. Now the next thing will be to create a post, and to create a post, all you need to do is to hit this new post button, and that's going to bring you to this place. Okay, so this is where you'll be able to create your post. Okay, so now whatever post you want to create, all you're going to do is to basically type in whatever you want to type, okay, depending on what you're blogging about. Okay, so you create your post, and once you have your post created, you can add links to your post, you can add pictures, you can add videos, you can highlight your post, make it bold. You highlight your post, make it bold, indent it. You can do whatever you want to do. A lot of stuff to do here. Okay, so and once you have those stuff done, all you would have to do is to label your post and then you hit publish. Okay, so now let me show you a post I already have on this blog to show you the way I did it. So as at the time of creating this video, I already have one post on the blog. Okay, so how did I do that? So now on this post, I already have it here. So where it says title up here, you just put the title, 4 types of friends to avoid. Okay, so after that, you also come here and type 4 types of friends to avoid. Now, how did I put this picture here? Okay, so to put this picture, all you need to do is to hit these 3 dots there, hit that 3 dots. That's gonna show you these things here. So you hit where it says picture, that symbol there, you hit it, and then where it says upload from computer, you hit that, and that's gonna bring you to this place. And then where it says choose file, you hit that, and then boom, you'll be able to go to your mobile phone device storage and then upload the picture, whatever picture you want to upload. Okay, you could get some of these pictures from Pixabay or from Brigxel. Okay, so you upload the picture, and once the picture is uploaded, you're gonna follow the on-screen instructions, and boom, the picture is going to appear here. Okay, so if you click on the picture, you're gonna see this. You're gonna see these things here. Okay, so if you hit this, that means you're centralizing the picture. If you hit this, that means you're moving it to the left. If you hit this, you're moving it to the right. Okay, so if you hit this settings button here, you'll be able to make some changes to the picture. And some of the things you can do is to add what we call alt text and then text title. Okay, and then you can change the size of the picture, and you can also update it, of course, if you want to. Okay, so now you might be saying, what am I gonna put here? Okay, so what you're gonna do is to type your alt text like this. Okay, so the text are gonna look like this: 4 hyphen, types hyphen, off hyphen, friends hyphen. So you can see we've got hyphens here. So that's how you're going to title it here. And then where it says title text, you're gonna write your text like this. Okay, so this is how you're gonna write this one without hyphens. And then after that, you're gonna use the size of the picture you want, whether small or medium. I would advise you use medium, and make sure the size of picture you use remain the same for all your pictures on this post. And then after that, you're going to hit the update button, or for you, you're gonna click whatever it says there. So the next thing would be to add a video to this article. To add a video, what we're going to do is come over here and click that, and then change it to HTML view. Okay, so we're gonna come down to this place. Okay, so if I zoom this in, you can see how the HTML view of the article looks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is let's say I want to add a video down here. Okay, so let's say I want to add a video down here. What I'm gonna do is to copy a code and paste the code here. Now I have coded this. Okay, you don't have to know how to code to be able to do this, so I'm gonna leave the link to this code in the description of this video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this code, okay, and paste it where I'm gonna show you. But before you copy this code, you're gonna go to the video you want to embed, the video you want to add to the article. Let's say you go to YouTube. So once you're here, so let's say this is the video you want to embed. So all you're gonna do is to click that video icon. So it's gonna start playing, so you're gonna quickly pause it. So you're gonna come here where it says share. You can see the share button, so you're gonna click that share button, and then it's gonna show you this. You can see where it says embed, so you're gonna click that embed, and then it's gonna show you this code here. So you're gonna do, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to the bottom and see where it says copy. So you copy that code. So once that code is copied, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here and come to where it says link, delete that, and then now paste. So once you paste that, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to copy this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this thing, like I said before, this code in the description of this video. So all you're going to do is copy the link of whatever video you want to embed and go to where the code says link, delete that link and paste that link, and then that's it. So I'm going to copy the whole of this. So back to the article, all I need to do is to come down here and paste the code. Okay, so you can see I just pasted the code here. You can see it from here down here. You can see everything. Okay, so that's how you go about doing that. Okay, so you paste it, and once you've pasted it, the next thing would be to put labels for your post. Now under these labels, okay, what you're gonna do is to put tags, related tags to your article. Okay, the title of this article is 4 types of friends to avoid, so you're gonna put that here and separate them with commas. You can put things like love, put things like relationships. So once you put the necessary tags, also make sure you put tags that are gonna make this article show up on the right place on your mega menu. What I mean by this is, if you go to view blogs and come to this place, okay, so you can see here, if we click that, you can see right here that we have a lot of sub items here and pages here. Okay, so what you're going to do is make sure that the article you've written, you put a tag that is going to make it show here. For example, we talked about love in that article, so maybe you might put love advice there. So that's going to make the article show here. When somebody clicks this, for instance, he'll be able to see the article. Okay, so you can see here it says showing post with the label love advice. Okay, so if you don't put this, when somebody clicks that, comes to your website and clicks that, it's not going to see this article here. Okay, so that's very important. So back to the post, you can see here I have put relevant labels. Okay, relationship, love, advice. Because of the article I have written for you, you're gonna make sure you put things that are related to what you're doing. And then after that, the next thing would be the next thing you might want to change here is search description. Okay, so you're gonna enter search description. Okay, just enter a search description, a short description of your post. You're gonna just put it there. Okay, so once you've done that, that's gonna help for SEO. Once you've done that, okay, make sure your post, the title is there. You're gonna hit the post or publish button. Okay, for me it's gonna say update because I already written this, just showing you how I did it. So you click the update button and then or publish button, and the post is gonna go live. Okay, so now let's look at how the post looks. So if we come to view blogs, now we can see the post showing here. Okay, so if we click this post, for instance, you are going to see right now that it shows here 4 types of friends to avoid, and then it goes down here. You can see the picture and the title of the picture. You can remember when I was talking about titling of your picture. This also is very important for SEO. Okay, so you go down, you can see another picture, and then also notice here the picture is also titled. This is also going to help for SEO purposes. Okay, so you're going to go down, boom, you can see the video we just added. Okay, so if you added a video following the technique I just showed you, this is where you're going to have the video. Is going to be responsive. It's going to show on your mobile device. It's not going to be larger than the screen of your mobile device. Okay, and then if you play the video, it's going to play exactly normally the way it's supposed to play. Okay, so you can see that you play the video, boom, it plays. And then I'm quickly stopping that. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do that. And then you can see the tags you added for your video are gonna show here, and then here will be the social icons to share your videos, and that's it. Okay, and then somebody can also comment under your post. And now if you noticed, this article is monetized, which is the very purpose of this course. You can see that here I have where it says click here to make your partner obsessed with you. Okay, so the purpose of you writing articles is to have links that gonna redirect your readers to another website where if they make a purchase, you are gonna be paid some commissions for such purchases. Okay, so if you look at that, if you click this link, so that's going to redirect us to this website. Now somebody comes to this website, they've got a video which if the person plays, he might listen to the video and then he might get attracted to buy whatever they are selling on this platform. Okay, so this is how you can monetize this website without even having enough traffic on the site. You already have it monetized. Okay, so this is one way you can monetize it. So you might be saying, how did I do that? How did I add this link to this article? Okay, so let me show you that very quickly. So you come back to your article. Okay, so once you're here and then it looks like this, all you need to do is to go to this place and then hit compose view. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, so once it looks like this, all you need to do is to look for a word to highlight. Okay, so let's say you want to highlight this, you want to link this word usual. So all you need to do is to highlight it like this and then come over to this place and click these 3 dots. That's gonna bring you to this place. Okay, so all you need to do is to look for where it shows this link here. You click that link. Once you click that link, that's gonna show you this, okay, telling you that you're highlighting the word usual. Okay, so what you need to do is to here paste the link you have, okay, your affiliate link. Okay, so you might say, how am I going to get this affiliate link? You need to go to affiliate websites like ClickBank, websites like Digistore24, Warrior Plus, Share, Excel, and all those websites. Okay, sign up as an affiliate and then you're going to have access to affiliate links. Okay, so whatever product you're promoting, just copy the link and then paste it here, and then you are going to click apply. Okay, and that's it. Boom. Or if you don't want to do that, you might want to just type something, okay, and then just highlight a word there. That's how I did that. And then after that, you are gonna hit the publish button and the post is gonna be published. Okay, so that's how you can link your blog to products and services you are selling. Okay, now as a new blog, you might not have enough traffic flowing in here. Okay, so in subsequent videos, okay, I'm going to show you how you can write articles. Okay, that is how you can write articles that we rank on Google and get you eyeballs. Okay, because the beauty of this is you write articles like this and the articles rank on Google. You're going to get a lot of people reading the article, clicking this link, and then visiting whatever product you're selling, and that's how you're going to be making money. This is how to make money online. Okay, this is one way to make money online. It takes time to set up, it takes diligence to get this thing done. Okay, but once you have it done and you're consistent, believe me, this thing can actually change your financial story. Okay, so in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how you can actually do research, how you can get articles that will rank, how you can write articles and rank them on Google. And of course, we've got a lot of YouTubers showing this. Okay, we've got a lot of people who are perfectly are good at this. Okay, showing you how you can write article and get them ranked on Google. Another way you can monetize this blog is to come to this place and then come over to where it says layout. Okay, so if we come to that layout, and then that's gonna bring us to this place. Okay, so you can come here and then you can see where it says header ads. You can click that and then add so you can see, you can come here and then add edit this HTML JavaScript and configure it for whatever ad you want to add. Okay, but before you can do that, you need to really have reasonable number of visitors coming here. Okay, so to actually apply this, you can just apply for AdSense. Okay, so to do that, you can come over here where it says settings. So when you come to where it says settings, you can just go down to this place where it says monetization. Okay, you can see where it says monetization, enable monetization. So you can do that. That's if you have enough visitors. Okay, but that's another tutorial for another day. The major purpose of this video is to show you how you can monetize via affiliate marketing once you have enough traffic. Okay, now having done this, another important thing we need to know here is that right here you need to make some changes. Okay, so here you can see the title. Okay, you can adjust the title if you want. Okay, and then here we can add Favicon. Okay, Favicon is basically a kind of brand image for your blog. Okay, so to change that, all you need to do is to click that. So if I zoom in, you can see I already have a favicon here for the blog. It's already here. Okay, so for you, if you don't have, you're gonna use Canva to design this. Okay, just go to Canva and use logo templates, okay, on Canva, okay, to design something like this. And then once you have it designed, then you come here and then where it says choose file, you click choose file, go to your device storage and upload it here, and then boom, hit the save button, and then that's gonna be configured and saved here. Okay, so other few things you need to set here would be to come over here where it says meta tags. Okay, so once you're here, you can see I already have search description. Search description talks about tags, words that are gonna help your blog rank on search engines, okay, when crawlers are trying to figure out the content of your blog. Okay, so you have to just put words, okay, that are related to what your blog is all about. Okay, for the purpose of this blog that I am building, related to love, related to sex, tricks, relationship, stuffs like that, you just put those things there, and once you have them put correctly, and then you hit this button and turn it on. Okay, so that's it. You can just also hit this button, enable custom robot, enable crawlers and indexing, just hit that. Okay, so you turn it on. Okay, like I said before, monetization, you can monetize with AdSense when you have enough traffic. Okay, so all you need to do is to hit that monetize button there, and then other things, manage blog. From here, the things are pretty much easy. You can just look at the information, what it's saying, and then you add it there. Okay, so from here, the next thing would be to index your blog. Okay, so to index this blog, the next thing we're going to do is to hit this Google Search Console. Okay, so once you click this button, that's going to bring you to this place. So you hit this drop down here, and then you're gonna see the sites. You're gonna see all this. Okay, if you don't have site, you can see I already have some properties already indexed here. So what you're going to do is to click where it says add new property. So you click that add new property button. So once you hit that, it's gonna show you this. All you need to do is to put the URL of your blog. Okay, the URL of your blog, you're going to put that URL here, and then once you hit that, you're gonna click continue, and boom, you would be your site would be indexed. Okay, so this is how you can do it. You might be saying, how do I get my site's URL? So that's very easy. All you need to do is to come here where it says view blog, and so once you are here, what you're going to do is to copy this, highlight this and copy. Okay, so that's how you are going to get your blog URL. Okay, so this is how you can create a blog. Okay, It's pretty simple and everything can be done on your mobile phone. Okay, the discouragement most people have is that they don't have a laptop, they don't have a computer. You can actually do it on your mobile device, okay, and blog on your mobile device. I mean, you blog without issues. Okay, so the next thing would be to add a custom domain. If you have a custom domain, the next thing would be to add a custom domain. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a video in the description of this video showing you how you can add a custom domain. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is your guy Ken, and it's Brigxel Bees signing out.